Charlie's back. It's hot. He's back.
Fred. Sit tight, Frank.
Why is it so goddamn hot out here?
Duke. On! Mon! Show yourself!
There's a boy, Munt. Put the policy case down and your mitts in the air. He's complying. Look upon me! I'll show you the life of the mind! Look upon me! I'll show you the life of the mind! I'll show you the life of the mind! I'll show you the life of the mind! I will show you the life of the mind!
Heil Hitler.
Barton. Brother, is it hot? How you been, buddy? Well, don't look at me like that. It's just me, Charlie.
I hear it's Munt. Madman Munt.
Jesus, people can be cruel. It's not my build, it's my personality. They say I'm a madman, Bart, but I'm not mad at anyone. Honest, I'm not. Most guys I just feel sorry for. It tears me up inside to think about what they're going through, how trapped they are. I understand it. I feel for them. So I try and help them out. Jesus. Yeah. I know what it feels like when things get all balled up at the head office. It puts you through hell, Barton. So I help people out. I just wish someone would do as much for me. Jesus, it's hot. Sometimes it gets so hot I want to crawl right out of my skin.
But Charlie, why me? Why?
Because you don't listen!
Jesus. I'm dripping again. Come on, Barton. You think you know pain? You think I made your life hell? Take a look around this dump. You're just a tourist with a typewriter, Barton. I live here. Don't you understand that? And you come into my home and you complain that I'm making too much noise.
I'm sorry.
Don't be.